the economy will stop.
NPP legislator Santa Mary Shylla has expressed confidence that the party would win the upcoming KHADC and JHADC election with absolute majority. Speaking with media persons, Shylla said that the party just need to reach out to the people and tell them about the developmental schemes which the MDA government are bringing for them, and the people would surely vote for the NPP. Asking about VPP, Shylla said that the party may mislead people for once, but voters cannot be misled again and again.
In Gentle Hills, yes, we are ready for the elections. We have our candidates everywhere in all the constituency, and we are hoping that we win this time. Every party has their own, their own strategy of working. So we, as a party, we just need to hear our people out, help our people, bring development to the constituency. And for now, the government is doing a lot of development in everywhere, especially concerning my constituency. We're getting roads, we're getting different kinds of schemes which they never get before. So the government has been doing a lot of work, and I hope that people should vote for the party NPP, because there will be more things coming up.
The KSU